So Laura, when we do have a client that is having some challenges from a technology perspective, maybe can you give a specific example of kind of what we do or what we have done and those challenges and then the solutions that we've seen?
Right. So when we go in and do our assessment, which we do within the first 30 days to kind of understand the environment, we look at how the technology is being used and the type of reporting and output that's coming out of the technology. And one example is, we might see that an organization's using QuickBooks Enterprise, for the desktop, for example, and there are some limitations with that software where you can't actually load in a budget by a specific project or grant, but it's desperately needed in order to track spending under that grant. So then that organization is still using Excel and exporting data out of the system that's technically be able to do it for you. And so in those cases where we see that, because of the manual nature of doing that reporting in Excel, how long it takes, just an inefficient and manual process prone to error, we might recommend that they switch to QuickBooks Online, which will allow you to budget by grant. And there are other similar solutions to QuickBooks Online, but a little more robust. Even NetSuite, Sage Intacct also has the ability to budget by grant like that.
Yeah, I think as we talked about though, there's no one, every organization is different. So really understanding the requirements, we can't just say, use this system, use that system.
That's right.
Let's understand the organization, how they're going to use it, and then work with them to determine what the best solution for them might be.
And the right process to go through with that is that you're asking not just the finance team, right, what the needs are. You're asking other members of your organization. They might be in programs, they might be in development, because there's information or reporting that they need out of your accounting system that helps them with, it could be a donor report or a just an understand how successful a program might be. And so you want to make sure you're getting all those user requirements when you look at the type of system that you'll be going to. And then I recommend a full RFP process where you're really outlining, hey, these are the different things we need in the different functional areas, and have multiple systems provide demos and really walk through and make sure that they can do all the things you're asking for it to do. I see also sometimes where the wrong system gets implemented and they haven't done the full, the time that it takes really to do that full user requirements analysis, and then now they've spent quite a bit of money training and implementing a system that ultimately is not going to work and grow and expand as they do.